Hi, hello everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about aptitude questions with shortcut solutions, which are hard type of questions. These are very important for any placement exam, like as TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Microsoft, etc. For all these placements, this type of problems are very important. So please watch my videos up to the end. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your DS and DS. First question, here you see, a man has traveled 50 kilometers in 2 hours. He could cover 20 kilometers in 1 hour, and then he had stopped for 30 minutes, 10 minutes for refueling. By what factor should be increase his speed with reference that during the first hour, so as to be able to complete the journey as per the schedule. 50 kilometers, he want to complete in 2 hours. That is the question. Here already 1 hour completed. In 1 hour, he completes only 20 kilometers. If 30 kilometers is there, and 10 minutes for refueling. So remaining 50 minutes is there. So in these 50 minutes, you want to cover this one. With how much speed this one will cover, first we calculate. So distance by speed equal distance by time. Time is 50. This is kilometers. 50 minutes converted into hours with the divide 60, which is equal to, this is speed, 30 into 60 by 50. By 1 ja, by 6 ja. 36 kilometer per hour. That is the speed. Here previous speed is 20 kilometers. Here how many? Here the question is, by how much factor we maintain the speed to cover that distance within the time. 20 into 1.8, that value is 36. So with 1 point factor speed, we cover that distance of the previous speed. That previous speed is 20 kilometers in 1 hour. If an integer such that 1 n 352 is a 6-digit number exactly divisible by 24, what will be the sum of the possible values of n? Suppose we'll take n value is 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 2. Here it is divisible by 24 means it is divisible by with 3 and 8. 8 means last 3 digits divisible by 8. 8 4 is 32. 32 means carry 3, 32, 8 4 is. So last 3 digits divisible by 8. So this number will be divisible by 8. Now the question is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, any number divisible by 3 condition is sum of the numbers divisible by 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 2, 13 are divisible by that 3. 1, suppose we'll take n value is 2. 4, 5, 8, 5, 13, 15. 15 divisible by, next, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 2, 6, 7, 10, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. 1, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 5, 17 plus 2, 19. Is also not divisible by 3. 1, 5, 5, 3, 5, 2, 10, 11, 14, 19, 21. It is divisible by 3. Next, 1, 6, 6, 3, 5, 2, 12, 13, 16, 21, 23. It is not divisible by 3. 1, 7, 7, 3, 5, 2, 14, 15, 18, 23, 24. It is divisible by 3. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 18, 23, 25. It is not divisible by 3. 1, 8, 8, 3, 5, 2. Suppose I will take 8, 16, 17, 20, 25, 27. It is divisible by 3. 1, 9, 9, 3, 5, 2. 18, 19, 22, 27, 29. It is not divisible by 3. So n value is 8, it is divisible. N value is 5, it is divisible. N value is 2, it is divisible by 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. The sum of that digit value is 15. Option number A is the right answer. The diameter of pizza is 30 centimeters. What is the area of the upper surface of sector of the pizza whose arc length is 8 centimeters? Pizza is in the form of circle. Here arc length is given. Arc means this is a radius, this is also radius, this is arc. This arc length is given, that is 30 centimeters. Radius and the arc length is given. In that case, radius is how much here? 30 diameter 30 centimeters means radius is 50 centimeters. So in that case, the area of the arc is 1 by 2 LR. 1 by 2 L value 30 into 15. 2 1 ja, 2 15 ja. The length is 8. So this is 8. 8. 15 8 ja. 120. 120 means option number D is the right answer. Next question. What is the mean proportional between mean proportions of 2 by 7 and 32 by 343 and 2 and 1 by 5000? Square root of 2 by 7 into 32 by 343 into square root of 2 into 1 by 5000. Now, square root of 64 by square root of 64 by 7 into 7 into 49. Square root of into square root of 2 by 5000 means 1 by 2500. This value is 8. 8 by 49 into 1 by 50. Eight by 49 to 1 by 50. Now here we see 2 by 7 into 32 by 343, 64 by 49. The 64 means 8 by 49 into 1 by 8 means 3 by approximately 3 by 8 means approximately 3 by this is 7. This is 5 5 25 7 5 7 5 35. 3 by 35 approximately we get, that is option number A is the right answer. Next, x plus 10% of x plus 10% means 100 of 240 is equal to 60% more than, that means 160% of x percent of 80, 180. Hundred get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. 8 3 ja, 8 2 ja 16. 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja 18. 0 0 0 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. 5 take this side. 5x plus 50 equal to 6x. X equal to 50. So x plus 15% of, then 15% of x plus 20 is what percent less than 25% of x? 15% means 15 by 100. Next one is 50 plus 20, 70. 0, 0 get cancelled. 15, 7 jar. 105 by 10 means 10.5. 25% of x. 25 by 100 into x value is 50. 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar, 12.5. So how much less? 2. 2 by. Comparing with 10.5 into 100. Here we put 0, we will get this one. 5 4 jar, 5 2 jar, 5 1 jar. 400 by 21. So is what percent less than? So less than means 12.5. 2 by 12.5 into 100. So 12.5 1 jar, 12.5, 8 jar, 8 2 jar, 16%. Option number A is the right answer. The sum of 30,000 invested in a scheme where the interest gets compounded annually and grows 51,840 in 3 years. How much interest would you have got occurred in 6 months in the same scheme had the interest been compounded quarterly? Now, amount is given 51,840 equal to amount equal to principal 30,000 into 100 plus R. R value not given. 100 plus R by 100 whole for 3 years. Whole cube. 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 1 is 3, 3 7 is 21, 3 2 is 6, 3 8 is 24. 3 1 is 0, 0, 0. This is 12 cube equal to 10 cube into 100 plus R by 100 whole cube. Now all this cancel cube value. Now 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 120 equal to 100 plus R equal to 20%. Now find how much interest would have got occurred in 6 months in the same scheme had the interest been compounded quarterly. Quarterly means yearly 20% means quarterly is 5%, 5 4 to 20. Quarterly, how much interest get on the same amount on this 30,000? 30,000 into 100 plus 505 by 100 whole square equal to 30,000 into 105 square 11025 by 10,000. 4 zeros get cancelled. 3 5 is 15. 6 plus 1 7. 0 3 1 is 3 3 1 is 3 1 is 3. 33075. This is the amount value. But we need only interest. Amount minus principal. 33075 minus 30,000. That is 3075 is the interest value. Option number B is the right answer. How much percentage is 0.025%? 0.025% means by 100. Half means into 240 by 100 into 1.5 divided by 0.9. Divided by 0.9 means 9 into this value. 0 0 get cancelled. So here eliminate for eliminating this value, put 3 zeros here. 0.025. Here 15 by 9 we get here. Before one digit, here before one digit we have that one. 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar 100, 0 0 0. 4 1 jar 0 0 0. 4 6 jar 24. 3 2 jar, 3 3 jar, 3 1 jar, 3 5 jar. 5 1 jar by 2 ja 0 0, 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 0 0 equal to 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 value is 0.001. So once again we will check it. Here you see 0.025%. Percent means 100. Half is into 240% means 240 by 100. Half is into 1 by 5. First to find this one. So percentage. So into by 9, 0.9 into 100%. So here we will eliminating that decimal, we put 3 zeros. 25 1 ja, 25 4 100, 0 0 0. 0 0 get cancelled. 4 6 ja, 400 ja. Now here 3 3 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 1 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 2 5 ja, 0. 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. So 100 this 100 get cancelled. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 value. 1 by 10 value is 0.1. 0.1%. 0.001 is the value. Percentage means 0.1% value. Option number C is the right answer. If the positive square root of 90 for 0.5 means square root of 90 plus square root of 80. So all this is this total value divided by square root of 2 minus 1. Square root of 90 can be written as, now here 9 take as common. Square root of 9 value is 3. Square root of 3 root 10 plus 16 taken as common, 4 root 5 into root 2 minus 1. Now first square root of multiplied by and product is raised to the power of 4. But also take whole power 4. Whole power 4. So we'll take one whole square, that square get cancelled. So 3 root 10 plus 4 root 5 into root 2 minus 1 whole square. Whole square. Now 3 root 2 root 10 plus 4 root 5 into root 2 whole square is 2 minus 2a by 2 root 2 plus 1 whole square. Now 3 root 10 plus 4 root 5 into 2 plus 1 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square total. 3 into 3 9 root 10, 3 to the 6 plus 6 root 20 minus 8 root 10 minus 2 into 3 6 root 20. These two are get cancelled. 9 minus 8 1, that value is root 10. Root 10. So always this value is whole square is there. Root 10 whole square. Root 10 whole square value is 10. Option number D is the right answer. Next value. What is the mean deviation of the data? First mean value, find. Mean value means average. 8 plus 9, 17. 17, 29. 29 plus 15, 44. 50, 60, 80. 104. 134. 134, 166, 200. 200 by totally 10 values is there. That value is 20. Now 8 minus 20, that means 20 minus 8 is 12 plus 11 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 subtract from 20. 0 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. 4, 10, 4, 10 plus 12 plus 14. 23 plus 8, 31 plus 5, 36, 40, 34, 54, 66, 70, 80. 80 by 10. That value is 8. So B division value is 8. Option number A. Next. An item was sold at profit of 12% after giving a discount of 12.5% on the list price. What would be the gain or loss percentage if a discount of 25% is given on the list price? So list price we want to know. So first we assume cost price is 100. He sells that item for 12% profit. That means he sells for 112 value. Now this selling price, it is equal to that list price into, and on that list price will give 12.5% discount. Means remaining how much percent is paid? That person 87.5 by 100. So here one decimal is there, we put 0. 25 3 is 75, 12 1 25 5. 25 4 is 100, 0. 5 7 is 5 8. 7 1 is 7 1 is 7 6 is 42. So A 68 128 equal to X. So list price equal to 128. Now on this list price, now he will give how much of discount? 25%. 25 by 100. 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. So 32 rupees he will give discount. 32 rupees he will give discount mean he sell that one for 96 rupees. Now selling price is 96 rupees. 96 rupees selling price means previously cost price is 100. How much value get loss? He will loss 4. 4 rupees and 100 rupees means 4% loss. Option number D is the right. Next, what is the diameter in centimeter of solid right circular cylinder whose height is 6 centimeters and the area of the curved surface is 5 times the combined area of the two flat surfaces. Now here you see that solid circular cylinder diameter here we find. The area of the curved surface is 2 pi r h equal to 5 times into combined area of flat surface is 2 pi r square. Pi get cancelled. What is the diameter centimeter of circular cylinder whose height is 6 centimeters? So 1 r is get cancelled here. 2 into h equal to 5 into 2 into r. 2 to get cancelled. Now r equal to 6 by 5. 1.2. Here diameter means 2r. 2r value is 2.4. Option number B is the right answer. Next question. Give the vaccination in temperature throughout the day in a desert town was studied on the basis of the records of the maximum and minimum temperatures, which was 36 and 8 degrees centigrade respectively. What was the standard deviation in degrees centigrade? 36 plus 8, 44. 44 by 2 means 22. That is mean. Now summation. Now here find standard deviation. Standard deviation equal to formula is square root of summation x minus x bar by x bar whole square by x1 is 36. 36 minus 22. 14 square 169 plus 22 minus 8 14. 14 square value is 169 by 2 by square root of 169. Square root of 169 value is 13. No, 14, 196. 196, 14 square. 196, 14 square value is square root of 196. Square root of 196 value is 14. Option number C is the right answer. The collection of numbers which comprise the data given below is arranged in ascending order. First we arrange in ascending order 3, 7, 9, n minus 1, 15, 18, 19, 20. The median of the data is 12.5. What is the value of n? How many numbers is there? 1, 3, 4, 8. 8 means middle of two numbers. Average value is equal to median. N minus 1 plus 15 by 2 equal to 12.5. N minus 1 plus 15 equal to 25. N minus 1 equal to 10. N equal to 11. So option number A is the right answer. A file of the CADX consisting of 10 rows and 5 columns measures 420 meters in length along the direction of their marching. How much time in hours and minutes would it take to march for a stretch of 3 kilometers if the stride of each cadet is 8 centimeters and he takes 57 strides per minute? Now here we see that the last stride is now how many meters is there? 420 meters length. Now here we observe that here find first speed. Speed equal to distance. So along the distance means how much time would it take to match for stretch of 3 kilometers if the stride of each cadet is 80 centimeters and takes 57 strides per minute. So here find that one first here. First to find time. Time equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. We need speed. Speed equal to we need to find time. Speed equal formula is distance. Distance is 80 centimeters. 80 centimeters. Over here into distance speed equal to distance into time. Time is 57 strides per minute. Strides per minute 57 by convert this one into 60. Here 80 centimeters converted into meters by 100. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 4 jar, 2 5 jar. 4 1 jar, 4 15 jar. So here you see 57 by 75. Now 57 by 75. Now distance is 420 meters by 57 by 75. Now 420 into 75 by 57. Now calculate this amount. Now 75 0 0 75 2 150 74 300 350 by 57 57 6 57 6 7 42 6 30 342. So approximately we get the values 1 hour. First here we find in terms of minutes 6, otherwise 5, 57 5 5 7 35, 5 25 285, 15 30 30 carry 300, 57 5 So once again here we observe that speed. So here we get approximately 1 hour 15 minutes value. Here 57 strides per minute. 57 strides per minute. So 57 by 60. I think some mistake is there in this question. We'll take 5.7. We get the correct answer. Here we see. First speed equal to 80 by 80 centimeters. We convert it to meters in by 100. 5.7 per minute means 60. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 50 ja. 5.7 by 75. Now 420 meters. Already this 5 point convert into seconds. So here also we get seconds. 420 into 75 by 5.7. 0 75 2 ja 150 75 4 ja 300 350 by 5.7. So totally here we get, calculate this one, we get approximately 4,500 seconds. So divide with seconds converted to by minutes by 60. 6 4,500. So divide with 60, we get approximately 1 hour 15 seconds. Option number A is the right answer. Next, 96 men were engaged for project constructing a railway track of the length 18 kilometers in 4 weeks. After 1 week completion, they completed only 4 kilometers of this 96 men. Now the remaining work for this 96 men, here the question is how many additional men should be engaged for timely completion of the project. So in 1 week they complete only 4. 4 weeks means 4 for the 16 kilometers only they will complete. So remaining 2 kilometers is there. So how many men added to this 96? They complete that remaining work means 14 kilometers within the time, 3 weeks. So this is work. First part work multiply with second part multiply with first part. So first product equal to second product. 96 into 14 into 1 week equal to 96 plus x into 4 into 3 weeks. For 1 ja 4, for 2 ja 8, for 4 ja 3 1 ja 3 8 ja 14 8 ja 112 equal to 96 plus x. X equal to 60. So option number B is the right answer. So once again, here 96 men, 18 kilometers in 4 weeks, 28 days. 96 members, 4 kilometers in 7 days. The remaining work is 96 plus x. They complete 14 kilometers in 21 days. So we get totally that person get 16. So additional man is 16 men. So we calculate this one. We get that one. So option number B is the right answer. X is 4 times the efficiency of Y in respect doing a particular work. Working together, they complete a work in 16 days. That means X complete 1 day work, Y do that work in 4 days. Both complete, combinedly complete 1 into 4 by 5. That parts value is 16. For 1 ja, for 4 ja. So one part value is 20. So this value is 20, this value is 80. But here the question is how many days why working alone able to do the half of the work. So full work completed in 18 days. Half of the work completed in 40 days. Option number A is the right answer. In a competitive exam, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and for every wrong answer, 2 marks were deducted. Satvik and 32 marks in this examination. 5 correct minus 2 wrong answer equal to 32. 4 marks are awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark deducted for each wrong answer, Satvik would have required to get 34 marks. So this is for equation 1, this is equation 2. First equation to write as T as, second equation multiply with 2, 8c minus 2c equal to 68. My subtract minus plus minus 8c minus 5c 3c, this 2 will be get cancelled equal to 68 minus 32 36. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. C equal to 12. So correct answer for each correct answer marks is 12. How many questions are there? 12 questions is there. Correct questions. So how many wrong answers is there? Wrong answer questions. So 12 minus 60. 60 minus 2W equal to 32. 2W equal to 60 minus 32, 28. 2 1 ja, 2 14 ja. Wrong answer question is 14. Correct answer question is 12. 12 plus 14, 26. Option number D is the right answer. The sum invested on simple interest grows 22,500 and 25,500 in 7 and 9 years respectively. What is the rate of percentage of interest? Now here interest is 3 years interest is 3,000. 1 year interest is 1,000. 9 years. 2 years interest is 3,000. 1 year interest is 1,500. So what is the percentage of interest? Now here 1 year interest is 1,500. 7 years interest is 7 into 15 means 10,500. Remaining one is subtract here 10,500. 10,500 means 22,000. This is the principal. Now find rate of percentage of interest. Now PTR by 100. Interest is 1,500 for 1 month, 1 year. P value is 22,000 into T value is 1 into R by 100. Now 1,500 equal to 22 into R. $22,000. One more zero is there. 0 0 get cancelled. Now you see that. Now here 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10, 11 1 ja 11 6 ja 66. Point. Now here you see that 6 point something here. Once again we'll check it. Here for 2 years they get 3,000 as the interest. For 1 year 1,500. For 7 years and 9 years. Subtract. So 9 minus 7, 2 years. Now once again listen here. So here 7 years interest is 15 7 105. 10,500. Subtract from this one, we get principal. Principal is 12,000. So this is the right answer. We forgot here, we missed that one. 12,000 plus 10,500, 22,500. Now 1,500 equal to 12,000 into R into 1 by 1 year for 1 year. 100. 2 2 0 0. 12 1 ja 12 1 ja carry 3 30. 12 2 ja 24. Carry 6 60. 12 5 ja 12.5%. Option number D is the right answer. Next. What is the sum which when divided by among x, y, z in the proportion 3:5:7 provided 8,000 more to z than what would he have done to him when the proportion is 11:15:19? So here in first case, Z has 7 out of 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. X minus 19 out of 26, 35, 45. X equal to 8,000. 45, 7 3 is 21x minus 19x equal to 8,000. 2x by 45 equal to 8,000. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 0 0 0. X equal to 180 0 0 0. 1,80,000. Option number B is the right answer. Next question. What is the value of 0.040128 whole power 1 by 7? This can be written as 0.2 whole power 7 whole power 1 by 7. 7 7 get cancelled. 0.2. Option number A is the right answer. After purchasing 2 copies of same book, X sold them respectively at 0.8 and 1.4 times their cost prices. What was the percentage gain earned or loss incurred by X? So 100 rupees means 0.8% profit means 80 rupees he sells. He sells at 0.8. 100 rupees he sells for 140, 1.4. Here 20%, 20 rupees loss. Here 40 rupees profit. Totally overall 20 rupees profit out of 200 rupees cost price into 100. 21 ja 20 10 ja. 0 0 get cancelled. 10% gain. Overall you get 10% gain. Option number B is the right answer. Two vessels X and Y of capacity 1 and 2 liters respectively are completely filled with mixtures of two chemicals A and B. The ratio by volume of the chemicals A and B in X and Y are 3:2 and 4:5 respectively. The contents of A and B are mixed and the combination is kept in a vessel C of capacity of 4 liters. How many liters of chemical A should be added to the combination so as to make the ratio of A to B equal to 1:1? Now here see, first here A and B in vessel, two vessels X and Y have capacity 1 and 2 liters respectively. Vessel X, in that vessel X, the ratio of volume of the chemicals A and B in X and Y are 3:2. A is 3 by 5, B is 4 by 9. Next in Y, here in X, A 3 by 5, 2 by 5. In Y, A is 4 by 9, B is 5 by 9. Now, both combined. 3 by 5 plus 4 by 9 is 2. 2 by 5 plus 5 by 9. 45. 5 9 ja, 9 3 ja 27. 9 5 ja 4 20 ja. 45. 5 9 ja. 9 2 ja 18. 9 5 ja. 5 5 ja 25. Now 47 out of 45. 43 out of 45. These two are get cancelled. But here once again, it's a X is one capacity. This is two into here. Here also 2 into. Here this is 1 liter. This is 2 liters. So here we observe that this will be changed. Now once again here we see in X 3 by 5 A, 2 by 5 B. In Y 4 by 9 A, 5 by 9 B. 3 by 5 plus 4 by 9 is 2 into 2 liters here. 4 by 2 by 5 plus 2 into 5 by 9. 45. 5 9 is 9 3 is 27. 9 5 is 5 is 20, 22 is 40. 45. 9 5 is 45. 9 2 is 18. So this is 18. So once again here we see now. So once again here we see this is 9 5 is 45. 45. Here 18 plus 10. Here 18 plus 9 5 is 5 5 is 25 plus 2 50. 18 plus 50 60. So now this one is 67. And so 45 get cancelled. 67. This one is 60. 50. Here this one is 5. 5 9 is 45. And 2 is 18. 50 is 68. 67. 68. So two vessels X and Y of capacities 1 and 2 liters respectively are completely filled with mixtures of two chemicals A and B. The ratio by volume of the chemicals A and B in X and Y are 3:2 and 4:5 respectively. The contents of A and B are mixed and the combination is kept in a vessel C of capacity of 4 liters. How many liters of chemicals A should be added to the combination so as to make the ratio of A to B equal to 1:1? In X, A is 3:2 means 3 out of 5. B is 2 out of 5. In Y, A is 4 by 9. B is 5 by 9. 4:5 means. A is 1 liter means 3 by 5. B is 2 liters means 2 into 4 by 9. A is 2 by 5. B is 1 liter. A is 1 liter. B is 2 liters means 2 into 5 by 9. Here 45. 5 divides 9 times 9 3 is 27. 5 divides 5 times 5 1 is 20, 22 is 40, and 9 is 45. So here 5 is 9 times 9 2 is 18. 9 divides 5 times 5 2 is 10, 10 5 is 50. 67 is to 68. Total is 130, 135 parts. But here how much value A added? B value is 68, A value is 67 means one is less value. So that one is added out of 135 parts. So 1 by 135, option number A is the right answer. Next, the marks scored by a student out of 100 in English and mathematics at 4 consecutive monthly tests held in 2009 are represented through a bar graph shown below. In each case, marks is a multiple of 5. The question is, in which month is the difference of marks scored in the two subjects are highest? So here this difference is 70, 85, 15. This is 60, 80 is 20. This is 15. This difference is 10. Maximum is 20. 20 in which month? February. Option number C is the right answer. Next question. The mean set of data is 5. What will be the mean if 10 is subtracted from each data? So 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Minus 5 is the data, option number C. Next. Last question. 5 power x, 3 power y equal to 25. 5 power x, 3 power y. 225 can be written as 5 square into 3 square. 25 9 into 5 into 5 81 means 3 power 4. 5 power x into y 3 power y equal to 5 cube into 3 power 6. X value 3, y value 6. Substitute here. X power x value is 3. 3 power 2y. 2 into 6 12 minus 3x 3 into 3 9. Now that value 3 cube. 3 cube value is 27. Option number C, B is the right answer. So I think everyone understood all these methods with all these problems with shortcut solutions. These are a type of problems which are very useful to crack the jobs in any MNC company like as Wipro, Infosys, TCS, Microsoft, etc. So please watch my videos up to the end. Please share my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks to everyone. Please support me.